Hey guys, it's Mike at Narx Customs. Today we're working on Narxcart again. We are going to mount some headlights, not these little things that aren't even wired together. We put rotors all the way around the car and we take the back bumper off. All right guys, so here's the deal. The other day, I posted a video of making a brake caliper tool, and I had to make the tool because I was doing the brake rotors on the wife's rig. I snuck in the cost of our rotors for the Narxcart into the cost of doing maintenance on the wife's rig and my daily, because of the money we saved from me doing the maintenance compared to a dealer doing the maintenance. So anyways, I say all that to say, do your wife's maintenance, buy more car parts. Brake parts cleaner. They call it brake parts cleaner because you're supposed to clean the brake parts with it, okay? Do it or you'll die. All right guys, brake rotors in on this side, so easy. The little tool works perfect. I'm actually fixing to cut down. Guys, got you no video, but we got new rotors down in there on the back of the car. So the car has brand new rotors all the way around. Gonna stop so much better, just because it's time for a little bit of a change. So I've got all the little clips undone up here, under this bottom here, and there's two little bolts that run underneath the back. And we're gonna see what else we need to pull off now as we yank on it. Hey guys, just a quick reminder, we are giving this car away when the channel hits 1 million views. All the rules and everything are down below, so make sure you read them, ask any questions. Thanks a bunch, here we go. All right, there are 5 bolts across here that hold the bumper on. So I'm gonna pull them off. 6, I guess. Now, let's see if that'll do it. Oh snap. That should help get a little attention. To do the headlights, we have to make some brackets. Here's the headlight we chose. All right guys, got to cut some brackets here for the headlights. So I'm going to get these painted, get this one here, and then I'm going to stack it up there because we need 4 of them. All right guys, we're going to bust out the Eastwood Versa cut there to knock these out and make it easier. So I've got my light set up so I can see the sidelines clearly here, and then we'll clean it up with the grinder or with a flapper disc or over on the bench grinder there. Guys, you have to buy a plasma cutter. If you use a grinder a whole lot, you have to buy a plasma cutter. All right guys, now it's time to make a match. So I took the 2 that were the closest, and we'll work on each pair in the vise with the grinder. Man, since I broke my hand the 1st of April, I have used a drill press a bunch more, just trying to keep the pressure off of it. So we're doing that to run through so all of our holes line up and match. Alright guys, so we're here, you pull it. Just figured I'd show you this real quick. Little MG midget. How cool is that little car? But we're here to get the headlight wiring harness for the cart, so we can see if we can rig something up that will work. All right guys, sorry it's a little windy. We have found a good setup here, so I'm gonna pull this and at least try and get this harness out of here so we can wire in the other one. All right guys, so grab those. Let's see what else we can find in the yard. Holy crap guys. It's a F100, but they cut the firewall out down on a Crown Vic chassis. Dang. Maybe they were cutting down a long bed and then just lost interest. Damn. That's sad. Hell, the doors are right over here. Wow. Here's the old $70 headlight we chose, or $90 headlight we chose from Amazon. They've got two little mounting tabs or holes there. We bought some Allen head screws to go in there, and we made up these little brackets that I'll weld onto the front hoop there. Hey, sorry I didn't put this in there that I'm measuring this because I'm actually cutting it down. It really needs about an inch shorter on the outside of the mount because we are mounting it in the curve of the loop. So to make sure that both brackets are straight up and down, we obviously need to do that. So anyways, that's what I'm doing, a little back and forth. Cutting it down, getting the pipe, make sure I cut the right size. So okay guys, we are gonna use the old Miller-Matic DVI2, which is Steven's big boy welder, big MIG. So, got the cut down piece here. I'm gonna get it to where they're pretty level. Weld it in there, tack it in with this one, and then I'll come back in a few minutes and weld it all after I remove the headlight. Woohoo! Look at that! Oh, it's gonna look awesome. Guys, this one took a little bit longer to figure out, so a little bit of a clip here, about 1.5 2 minutes long, of me trying to figure out which wires are which on the and beginning the wiring harness connector from the Grand Marquis into the headlights from Amazon there. All right guys, one of them is wired in. I rerouted the wiring from up here to come actually down and around, and it's hidden down in there now. So it'll clean it up just a little bit. All right guys, one down. Fixed start on this one, but figured I would show you guys how cool that is gonna look. Holy smokes, guys, look at those things. The pattern's probably a little high. And then these lights here that I'm turning off with my hand are just some corner lights that we'll wire up to some others. But here's the brights. This thing's gonna be awesome. All right guys, that's it for this one. Narxcart has headlights. We're gonna get some serious night driving done when it warms up. It's about 50 outside right now, so not warm enough. Just again, follow us on Instagram to be entered to win this car. Subscribe here on the YouTube channel to keep up with everything we have coming, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much.